I have a quick solution for those that have this problem. For those that have FPS drops and stuttering issues when they want just to play Battlefield 2042, but just annoying you, okay? And I have a solution that that this worked for me, and I'm gonna show you this solution to you as well. So yeah, if you use Discord, I'm gonna show you how you can disable something in Discord that will just decrease the chance of Battlefield crashing and dropping FPS and stuff like that. So let's jump right into the video. What you have to do here is to click on user settings, and then here in user settings you just have to click on user settings, and then here make sure you scroll down, and here you should see something related to where is it? Game overlay, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna show you on the other account. Okay, this is what you have to look for: game overlay. Click on game overlay, and here you should have the option to disable game overlay. Okay, probably for you is enabled, just disable it. For me it just crashes when it's turned on majority of the game, so I usually leave it off. I'll just turn it off. It's not worth it for me, and I hope it's gonna work for you and you're gonna have less FPS drops. Okay, so I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, tips. I'll really appreciate it and really help a lot in my journey, okay, as a YouTube creator. I just love doing this, but you know, well, your support means a lot. So thank you for watching, and take care.